Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa Raziyallahu Ta'ala anha narrates that when Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam arrived in Medina, some of his companions, including Hazrat Siddiq Akbar, may Allah be pleased with him, his freed slave Amir bin Fahira, and Bilal, may Allah be pleased with him, fell ill. Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa Raziyallahu Ta'ala anha sought permission from the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam to visit them, and he granted her permission. She inquired about their well-being. Hazrat Siddiq Akbar, may Allah be pleased with him, replied with the verse, "Mourning is spent in one's family's care, while death is closer than a sandal's pair." Hazrat Amir recited, "Before tasting death's delight, I feel death's approach at night, and the graveyard where I'll stay is not far, a stone's throw away." Bilal, may Allah be pleased with him, said, "Oh, I may return to Wafaq, a high place, this night, and find around me akhur and jalil types of grass." Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa Raziyallahu Ta'ala anha reported these matters to the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who after looking towards the sky prayed, "O Allah, make Medina as beloved to us as more beloved than Makkah. Bestow blessings upon Arsa, a unit of measurement, and Mud, another unit, and transfer its fever to Al-Jufa, place." Musnad Ahmad, Hadith number 23268.